Hi, I'm Patrick Whitson, Aeration Supervisor here at Aquatic Control. When it comes to managing your pond, it is important to make educated decisions on how to focus your efforts. One of the best ways to improve water quality and discourage growth such as algae and duckweed is to create movement in your pond's water. 3 types of equipment that will help keep your water constantly in motion are fountains, surface aerators, and diffused air systems. While each type of system will create water movement, each system does have its differences, and those differences are important to know when it comes to deciding which one your water actually needs. Let's start with the fountain option. There's nothing that highlights your lake or pond more than a beautiful fountain. With special nozzles to create specific spray patterns, fountains immediately do draw attention. They add value and carry a sense of luxury to any water body. While fountains are designed for aesthetics, they do provide some aeration, which can increase the health of your pond. So if the goal for your water body is to be the focal point of your property, or you want to create a relaxing environment, then a fountain may be right for you. Now, there are 2 different types of aerators. There's surface aerators and diffused aeration systems. Surface aerators are similar in build to fountains, but are designed for maximum water movement. Many types of weeds and algae thrive in stagnant water. With a surface aerator constantly moving water around, stagnant water is reduced, dissolved oxygen levels increase, and you should notice a drastic improvement in the overall health of your pond. While surface aerators might not have the unmistakable beauty of a fountain, the small basic bubbling action actually lights up very well. And these units can provide an extra spark to your pond's aesthetics during both day and night. So if your main focus is to move the needle on achieving peak pond health at your property, but are also okay with the sound of rushing water and a little bit of flare, a surface aerator might be exactly what you're looking for. That leaves us with the discussion of diffused aeration systems. These systems focus on moving air instead of water, but induce water movement by releasing air at the pond's bottom, thus allowing the bubbles to rise upward to the pond's surface. The rising bubble action creates water movement upward from the bottom of the pond and continues to cycle water across the pond's entire depth profile. Ideally, diffused aeration systems are a good fit for ponds that are deeper than 8 feet. It's apparent these systems have considerable different operation than fountains or surface aerators. They don't have much of a visual appeal, but the circulation they create is much deeper reaching. Their function is to drive oxygen deeper into the water column than any form of aeration at the surface level can achieve. They carry similar but differing benefits to the health of your pond. These systems don't focus on increasing oxygen levels, they focus on redistributing oxygen into a larger and deeper portion of the water column. Diffused aerators help supply necessary oxygen to bacteria that break down organic matter and reduce available nutrient content. This can lead to a reduction in unwanted algae or vegetation, an increase in the health of your fish, and can keep your water quality in a more desirable condition. At the end of the day, getting your water moving is important. So whether your specific need leads you to choose the elegance of a fountain, the power of a surface aerator, or the supreme mixing capability of a diffused aeration system, your pond will thank you for the increased water movement. If you still have questions about which option best suits your pond, feel free to give us a call. We are always happy to help you work toward the pond you've always dreamed of.